This is going to blow your mind. India is on a roll, and we're about to find out why. GDP, or Gross Domestic Product, measures a country's economic performance. It's the total value of all goods and services produced. How is it calculated? Simple. Add up consumer spending, investments, government spending, and net exports. Now, the big players, the top 10 countries by GDP. The USA, China, Japan, Germany, India, the UK, France, Italy, Brazil, and Canada. These giants dominate the global economy. But guess what? Over the last 10 years, India's GDP has skyrocketed from $1.8 trillion in 2014 to over $3 trillion today. That's insane growth. Currently, India is the 5th largest economy in the world, and the future looks even brighter. Experts predict that India could be the 3rd largest economy by 2029. So, what's driving this growth? A young population, tech advancements, and a booming startup scene. Stay tuned for more updates on India's economic rise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.